Hey guys, new tutorial. I am going to show you how to install Java on Ubuntu 18.04. Okay, let's start. Please open terminal and start to copy. Okay, the first command, adding the repository for Java. Let's take it and copy. And press enter to continue. And now we must update, but don't worry, you will find all of these commands on the description of the video. Okay, please wait until it finishes to download. Okay, let's continue. After update, let's copy this sudo apt-get installer or Oracle Java 8 installer, and choose yes to continue. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, click on OK, and you accept the Oracle binary code license terms. Choose yes, and now it starts to download, saving to GDK. It will start in a few seconds. Waiting for the request. Okay, you can take a coffee until it finishes to download and install. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now let's check the version of Java. So now we have Java. This is the version. So this is how to install Java on Ubuntu 18.04. I hope that it was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment. See you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.